page. In this page, today we will learn the third bit. The same page number. First, I will read the problem in our textbook one. I will read it. Verify whether the values of x given in each case are the zeros of the polynomial or not. Yeah, in this bit is 8 problems is given. Yeah, one by one today we will learn it only. Yeah, first this is the question. First I will explaining this problem. What is given, what is asked. Yeah, all are the polynomials is given. 8 polynomials is given. And 2 point is what is asked. Verify whether the values of x, the given 0 of the polynomial or not. Is it 0 of the polynomial or not? Whether the values of x values, these are all the x values is given. So in each case of the 0 of the polynomials or not. Check it only one by one. Yeah, first one by one I will read it only. Polynomials. First, p of x equal to x plus 1. X value is given. X equal to minus 1 by 2. And second one is p of x equal to 5x minus 5. X value equal to minus 3 by 2. Yeah, next, if x equal to plus or minus 1, then the p of x equal to x square minus 1. Yeah, is it 0 of the polynomial or not? And next, fourth one, p of x equal to x minus 1 into x plus 2. X values is minus 1 and 2 only. Next, fifth one, here it is the page is only 4 only. After 4 problems is in this page, today we will learn it only. Yeah, remaining problems all are after lot only. Okay, next page we will learn it only. Yeah, first one is in this 4 problems in this page. Today we will learn the 4 problems only. First, look at the blackboard. Be carefully listen at the detail. Yeah, third page is third bit or 4 problems only. One by one today we will learn. First, given data, how to write it in a given problem. What is given, what is asked. First problem is given is polynomial is given. That is the p of x, 2x plus 1, and x value is given. That is the minus 1 by 2. To find is verify whether the values of x given in each case the 0 of the polynomial or not. These are all this alag x values is given. Yeah, in each case 0 of the polynomial or not. Is it verified or not? That is the question. All are the this is the same only to find. But x values is different. And polynomials is also different only. So verify or not is check it only. First one is the solution for this problem. P of x is given, that is the 2x plus 1 is given. What's the x value? Replace. Very simple problems these are. Replace x by what's the value? Substituting. Here it is. X is value is given. That value is minus 1 by 2 is value is given. X in place we will write it minus 1 by 2. So p of minus 1 by 2 equal to into x in place we write it minus 1 by 2. Yes. So 2 and 2 is cancelled. Next, left is minus 1 plus 1. So it is minus 1 plus 1. It is nothing but both are cancelled. What the value we will get it? 0 value. So what's the 0 of the polynomial? Do you know the 0 of the polynomial? Definition and with the examples it's over. What's the 0 of the polynomial? What's the p of minus 1 by 2? Resulting final answer, what we will get the answer is 0. So this is the 0 of the polynomial. Is it a 0 of the polynomial? Yes, is it a 0 of the polynomial? But because here it is the resulting answer is 0 only. So whatever the value is substitute that the value is called as the 0 of the polynomial. Whenever substituting some values in place of x, then the final answer we will get the 0 only. So what's the 0 of the polynomial? P of x equal to 0. We know that this is the 0 of the polynomial. In place of x values 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever the value substituting in the place of x, final answer, what we will get, the final answer is 0. Then the polynomial is called as the 0 of the polynomial. If the resulting final answer is not equal to 0, then the polynomial is not a 0 of the polynomial. Here in the first problem solution, what we will get the answer? 0. Is it a 0 of the polynomial? Yet x equal to minus 1 by 2. Is it a 0 of the polynomial?
No.
Yes or no? Tell me
Yes,
the answer.
0 of the polynomial.
Yes, but because here it is the resulting answer is 0 only. So that's why, therefore, x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of a polynomial, that is the p of x. Otherwise, hence the 0 of a polynomial p of x, here x equal to minus 1 by 0. Okay? This is 0 of the polynomial. Why? Because here this the resulting answer is 0. So that's why at x equal to minus 1 by 2, the resulting answer is 0. So that's why is it a polynomial? Yeah, what is the question only? Is it verify or not? Yes, it is a polynomial. The given polynomial is a 0 of the polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. And it is verified. It is verified or not? Yes, it is verified only. It is verified. When x equal to minus 1 by 2, the given polynomial is verified only. That is the solution. It is over. This problem solution is over, and next we will go to the second problem. Yeah, first what is given, what is asked. Given equal to p of x is given, that is the 5x minus 5, x equal to minus 3 by 2 only. To find, verify whether the value of x is given 0 of the polynomial or not. Is it verified? Is it a 0 of the polynomial or not? Verified it. Say yes or no. Yeah, first is p of x is given, that is the 5x minus 5 is given. Yeah, x equal, x in place minus 3 by 2. Yeah, replace or substitute. Anyone will replace x by minus 3 by 2. What we will get it? Yeah, x in place, how to write it? Minus 3 by 2. 5x is nothing but minus 3 by 2 minus 5. Next, 5 in removing the brackets. 5 into minus 3 is nothing but minus 15 by 2 minus 5. So it is the this is the minus 5 by 2 minus 5. Here 5 is not equal to 0. Why? Because here it is something is there only. Okay. Something is there, something value is there only. What is not equal to 0? Is it equal to 0? 5 value? No, it is not equal to 0. So therefore, is it a 0 of the polynomial? No. Therefore, p of minus 3 by 2 is not equal to 0. So no. Is it a 0 of the polynomial or not? No. Why? Because here the resulting answer is not equal to 0. 5 values 3.14 or 22 by 7, and substituting it, that is also not equal to 0 value. Something is there. What's the value? What's the resulting answer is? Something is there. So that's why it's not equal to 0. So that's why the given polynomial is not equal to 0. Final answer is not equal to 0. So it is given polynomial is 0 of the polynomial or not? No. It is not a 0 of polynomial p of x. Yeah, x otherwise, and it is not verified. Verified or not? It is not verified. Okay. Therefore, x equal to minus 3 by 2 is not a zero polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. What's the polynomial? P of x. Yes. Therefore, x equal to minus 3 by 2 is not a P of 0 of the polynomial. Is it a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial only. So it is not verified only. So that is our solution is correct. Are you understood? Yeah, next we will go to the third problem. First, given data, how to write it in a given problem. What is given? Given equal to P of x equal to x square minus 1 and x values is given, that is the plus or minus 1 and to find is the verified. Verify or not? Yeah, that is the question only. Yeah, first one is the P of x is given. What is the P of x? X square minus 1 only. Yeah, replace x or substitute the values of plus or minus 1. So, what's the values here? Plus 1 and minus 1. Replace x by plus 1 and another one is minus 1. These two values are substituted. Is it the resulting answer? What we will get it? Is it 0 or not? So, if we get the 0, then the given polynomial is it 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise, it is not, resulting answer is not get the 0. The given polynomial is not yet 0 of the polynomial. Yep, these two values only. Here, first one by one values are substituting in this above polynomial. What we will get? First one is the replace x by 1 only. So, first one P of 1 equal x square is nothing but 1 square minus 1. What we will get the answer? 1 square is nothing but 1 minus 1. So, plus 1 is minus 1. Both are is cancelled. What we will get the answer is 0. So, P of 1 is value is it verified? Yes, is it verified only? This is the P of 1 is verified. Yes. P of 1 is a polynomial. Is a 0 of the polynomial. Is a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, next P of another one is a P of minus 1 only. So P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole square minus 1. It is nothing but minus 1 whole square is nothing but minus 1 into minus 1. So what's the answer? Minus 1 into minus 1 is nothing but minus into minus is the plus. 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 square is nothing but 1. So minus 1. Removing the brackets. What's the answer? 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. See, in both cases, plus or minus x equal to, if x equal to plus or minus 1, then the given polynomial is it a 0 of the polynomial. Why? Because here is the, in both cases, here it is the resulting answer is 0. Okay?
Yes.
Are you clear? Therefore, x equal to plus or minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial. In both cases, what's the value? In both cases, is it a polynomial? Yes. Yes. It is a polynomial. And verified this one. Yes, verified. Okay. Therefore, this one.
Okay, next one.
Of the polynomial P of x and x equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, this is the solution is over, and next we will go to the fourth problem. Yeah, what is given, what is asked. Given equal to P of x equal to x minus 1 into x plus 2. Then the values, what's the values here? This one, x equal, the values is given, that is x equal to minus 1 and minus 2 only. To find is verified into. Is it a polynomial or not? Is it verified or not? Yeah, first one, P of x equal x minus 1 into x plus 2. Yeah, replace x by minus 1 and minus 2. Yeah, first one is substitute the values if x equal to minus 1 in the above polynomial, what we will get the answer? Is it 0 or not? Here we get the 0 if this is the polynomial is s. Otherwise no. Yeah, substitute it. X in place minus 1 into next x in place of minus 1 plus 2. Next minus 1 it is nothing but minus 2. And next minus 1 plus 2 it is nothing but 1. So what's the value? Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Is it a 0 of the polynomial? No, it is not a 0 of the polynomial, but because here it is the not get the value is 0. What's the resulting value is not get 0 only. So that's why it is not a polynomial. In case of minus 1. Next, well, what's the p of minus 2 only? What's the x in place of minus 2? Minus 2 minus 1 into what's the minus 2 plus 2. Okay? X in place of substitute the values minus 2 only. So minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 only. So minus 2 plus 2 is cancelled. Here it is the minus 2 minus 1. What's that? Minus 3. Minus 3 into 0 equal to 0. Okay, something into 0 is nothing but 0. So, yeah, is it a 0 of the polynomial?
Yes.
In case of p of minus 2,
Yes.
yes, 0 of the polynomial. But in case of the minus 1 is not a 0 of the polynomial. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, no. It is not a polynomial. Is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial when x equal to minus 1. Yes, another one is yes. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial when x equals minus 1. Okay, are you clear? It is verified only. First one is not verified and second one is in case of other one is verified. Okay. Therefore, p of minus therefore x equal to minus 1 is a polynomial. Is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. And x equal to minus 2 is a polynomial. One case it is not verified. Other case it is verified. Okay, both two cases there only two values. In two cases there. First case is not verified. The given polynomial is not verified. In second case is it verified, but because your resulting answer is 0 only. So second case is it verified only, but your first case is not yet verified. Okay, yeah, this is the 1 to 4 problems it's over in this big tool. Are you understood? Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
Yeah, next we will go to the remaining problems. Next page.